Belkin Aircast Auto installs in seconds. All you need is your smartphone and your existing car stereo. Setup is easy. First, connect the audio cables. Then plug in the power adapter. Put the call play button on the dash. Perform the one-time Bluetooth pairing process. Next time, to reconnect, press the call play button and you're ready to go. Press the call play button to start your music. Full range sound will stream via Bluetooth directly through your car speakers. To pause, tap the button once. Tap twice to skip to the next track. When a call comes in, the music fades automatically. Press the button to answer the call.
Hello?
Hey, are you on your way?
When the call ends, your playlist starts up without missing a beat. You can also stream your favorite internet radio apps and charge while you drive with built-in USB. Music and hands-free calling have never been easier. Belkin Aircast Auto.
Don't you hate having a flat tire? When you're about to rush for an urgent appointment, imagine fixing a flat tire in a deserted area. Meet Fobo Tire, the most advanced tire pressure monitoring system. Fobo Tire is the first TPMS to use Bluetooth Low Energy. Fobo Tire comes with a 3-level alert telling you when the tire is merely underinflated or if it is dangerous to continue driving. Fobo Tire alerts you of a tire leak even when you're away from your car, giving you time to get it fixed. You will always be on time for your important appointment. Have more than one car? Fobo Tire monitors multiple cars simultaneously. You can even share Fobo Tire with others through our cross-pair technology. And it's great for families, no matter who is using the car. Fobo Tire is intuitively designed for quick and easy installation. Fobo Tire has an inbuilt theft deterrent feature and notification when the sensor is missing. It monitors your car tires continuously, 24 hours every day, giving you and your family peace of mind for a safe and comfortable ride. Fobo Tire monitors for you so that you can enjoy the journey.
Hi, Indiegogo. Let me introduce to you the Fobo team.
Hi, Indiegogo.
Our team has worked a lot with Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, and Bluetooth technology. We now merge these two technologies to create the world's first Bluetooth Smart TPMS. This TPMS is compact, easy to use, and works directly with your smartphone to provide a 24/7 monitoring. Our dream is to integrate the best of design and best of performance so that you could have a reliable product that you will enjoy using. We are now proud to bring you Fobo Tire. Fobo Tire is designed from the drawing board to be artistically sleek and yet robust. It had gone through many prototype stages and been subjected to rigorous mechanical and functional tests. Fobo Tire is now ready for mass production, and we are very close to bringing it to you.
We are very excited and we need your support to make this a success.